Hey guys,
we're not done this Lego, but we're gonna be making part 2.
Yeah, later. Right now we're gonna make fidget spinner video, and I'll show this one at the end. Okay?
Yeah, but this one's gonna be short.
Yeah, it's pretty short. Okay. Ready, set, let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna see who can do the most tricks.
Okay, we'll just play with them, I guess. Look at this. Watch this, guys. So what I like to do is this. Watch. So I got this fidget spinner. Oh my god, I spinned it the wrong way. Okay, so here, as I pass it, I just got to the middle finger. Oh, I dropped it. I got to the middle finger.
I got thumb.
Okay, so don't.
Now we're gonna be switching fidget spinners.
Yeah. So I got my rainbow one.
I got James's blue.
Yeah, my blue fidget spinner. Okay, I can do a trick. So, guys, I wanted to show you fidget spinners. And this is at the end of the video already, because we want to make another video. So look at this. So these fidget spinners, I'm going to open it and show you guys how cool these are. These were my favorites of my fidget spinners.
Want me to help? Can I help?
No, I already got it. I know how. Okay, I think our
Can I try
friends-
spinning it?
Yeah, let's just... Okay, so this is it. Look at this one. That's two-sided. And then here's my rainbows. So
comment down which one's the best. The black two-sided or the rainbow dragon?
See ya. Bye.